So that's the word coming in from the DA Seki. We'll get you more on that interaction too. But shifting focus back to the markets, we have Vinay Rajani on the technicals to help us make better sense of the markets. That's Vinay Rajani, Senior Technical and Derivative Research Analyst at HDFC Securities. Vinay, good afternoon and very good day to be interacting with you. Help us understand what this market move is. Of course, a lot of this frenzy is on the back of the India-US trade deal finally being signed. We have clarity on that 18% tariff now. But talk to us about how you're seeing the exuberance in the market. Of course, we don't have all the details about the trade deal. But technically, how strong is this market move looking today?
Yeah, good afternoon and thanks for having me on the show. So almost 1800 points recovery in last two trading session, and the first sign of the reversal was there when we saw yesterday Nifty did not break the budget days low. That was the 24,571. So it managed to hold above that level. That was the first sign. And today, after obviously it is a gap up opening and difficult to capture that movement for the traders on the previous day. So yes, it is a gap up opening, and today it almost hit an all-time high. The all-time high was 26,373. Today's high is 26,341. But today's low happens to be the 50 days EMA. Nifty has now reclaimed its level above 20, 50, 100 and 200 days EMA. So that is a very good sign. And I think most of the stocks have seen healthy correction in the broader market also. So I think downside is limited. Dip should be bought into the level of 25,500 to 25,650. This is the support band for the Nifty in case of running correction. So that should be utilized to go long only. I'm expecting market, especially the Nifty stocks like large cap stocks, to perform well. So yes, dip should be bought into 25,500 to 650 range should be utilized to go long. And we are expecting a fresh all-time high in the Nifty also. Bank Nifty has already registered a new all-time high today's session, but Nifty is also expected to do well. So large cap stocks and benchmark indices are likely to perform well, and we are headed for the new all-time high in the Nifty.
Headed for a new all-time high in the Nifty. That's the word coming in. But Mr. Rajani, now that you're very bullish on the index, any stock-specific ideas that you can share with our viewers?
Yeah, so in base metal space, I see some strength continues, though it is not related to any particular news in the in India-US deal. But Jindal Steel and Power looking quite strong. Yesterday also it closed on a strong wicket and still looks very strong. So steel stocks are likely to do well. Specifically, Jindal Steel is looking good to us for trading. 1150 should be the buying rate. Stop loss can be kept at 1130. On the upside, I am expecting an immediate target at 1180. The second stock I would pick from the capital goods space, that is MNC company ABB. So ABB is looking strong. There is a typical textbook trend reversal pattern on the weekly and monthly chart. So the underperformance can turn out to be outperformance. Now it looks like that. So ABB around 5735, one can go long. For the trading, I would suggest to stop loss at 5600 on the upside. Trading target should be 5925.
Vinay, thanks so much for taking us through that. And on